Here's our first snowfall of the year. It is December 2nd. I'm not quite sure how much it is, maybe 3 inches, 3.5 or so. Yeah, my little bushes here almost touching the sidewalk now because of the weight of it. And I'm not touching it because then I will be soaked if I go and shake that off. And I don't have a coat on. Yep, so maybe I'll do it real quick just for you people that don't get to see snow often. Woo! Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. You better get warm in your house. That's her house. She's a stray cat. And it's a heated one. It plugs in. It's nice.